Hi guys! In this video, I will going to show you how to publish website on WordPress. So first of all, you're gonna go to your website. You want to make it organized and beautiful and attractive. When you're happy with it and when you're done, it's now time to publish. In the upper right corner of your screen, tap Publish. From there, you will see the settings. For example, the visibility, of course, you want to make it public. And you can also set the date when would you like to publish your website. You can put immediately or you can exactly set a date when you would like to publish your website. You can also add tags. You can put keywords so people can easily find you. But before you publish your website, you want to make sure that your blog is launched. So you have to verify your email address. So go to your email and see the email from WordPress to activate your site. Click the email and that actually allow you to launch your site. And then go back to WordPress and tap Publish. Once you publish your site, WordPress will give you public link that you can share to Facebook, Instagram, so people can easily find your website. It's simple and easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.